Welcome to the channel Excel is Magical and part 4 of the Lookup series from my virtual training sessions. In this video, we are going to learn how VLookup function can be used to compare data and find out what is missing after comparison. Also, once we get the missing items by an error output, how the functions like IFNA, IFERROR can be used to customize these error messages. Let's see an example which will help us learn how comparison can be done using VLookup function.
I have a data. See, I'm into this lookup compare sheet. I'm in the same file, guys. It is next to this text data. Here, I have some orders shipped. This is my list of orders shipped. There are 830 orders. Look at this. There are 830 orders. Orders received by customers. These are the orders which are shipped at the customers, and these are the received. Received orders are 779. There are 779 orders received. Some of them have been not received. 830, 779, 51 orders are not received. Very simple. I want to compare this to this sheet and find out the 51 not received orders here. So we use VLookup. We do a VLookup from here to here. If we get an error, normally guys, people who are new to this concept, please understand, if there is a product, let us say I had a product name, say burger, okay? Burger is not a part of this product names. Enter. So I'm getting an error here, right? Because this product is not found in this. When you go for zero match, if this is not available, it gives me an error like #NA. #NA says this value is not available, as simple as that. Or you might have done an error in writing formula. If your formula is perfect and still not coming, maybe this is not available. So this is the logic used for comparison. So what we do a VLookup from here till here. 10248 is there. It will bring me some information. If it is not there, it brings me errors. Through errors, we'll come to know the missing data from the other sheet, correct? So what I do, simple VLookup equals to VLookup. Lookup value is this, comma, table array. Where do we look this, guys? In this table, right? F to F. One column is enough. Am I right? Because am I retrieving any information here, guys? No, right? I'm not retrieving any information. I am just searching. If it is there, you bring me the order ID only. If not, give me an error. Error says me that value is not available. As simple as that. So search for this. Search here, I'm sorry, comma. Column index number is 1, right? 1, comma, 0 is exact match. Why 1, dear? 1 is because there is only one column data, so 1. If there are two column data, I could have 2, 1, anything, any of this. But here I'll just give 1. 0 is for exact match because order ID is right. Close the bracket, enter. So I got the order ID. That means this order is there here. Now we'll double click is. I got #NAs here. #NAs wherever I get. See 57 is there, 58 is not there here, right? So that is why I got NA there. 61266 is not available here, correct? So I got NA. Like this, there will be 51. If I filter, Control Shift L, filter. If I filter my #NAs here, #NAs, the errors basically, I will get, look at the report here, 51 of 830. So those are the things which are not there. So this is another advantage of VLookup, which can be helpful for comparison. So I can compare two tables and get back the not available data. Okay, but let us from here go on learning some better options. Now, instead of this error, I want to see something else. Many a time that will be useful, right? Instead of saying #NA, to say order not shipped, order not shipped. Many a time, what we do for this, we filter #NAs and try to replace it. No, don't do that. Don't do filter and replace it. What you do, you write two of these functions. One is IFNA. One more is IFERROR. These are also logical functions. IFERROR is there from very older version. Okay, this is there from very older version, from 2007 version. this formula is available. Okay, and this IFNA is come in 2013 version. I think most of you will have this. Okay, so because most of you minimum version nowadays is 2013. If you have 2010, then you will not find IFNA also. Okay, but IFERROR does our work. So why do we need these functions? Normally to customize the error messages. IFERROR is used to customize any error message. Any error message. Message can be #NA, hash value, hash name, any kind of errors it will customize. This will customize only NA error messages. That #NA what you get from lookup functions, not only from VLookup, HLookup, you might also get it from index, XLookup, some other Excel's function. If you are customizing only them, you go with IFNA. Left to you guys. More suggested is if you are using latest version, IFNA is more better than IFERROR if you are customizing NA errors. Otherwise, if you have any other error coming, it might deceive us. Okay, if any other, because my customization should happen only if it is not available, right? Not for other errors. Okay, if there is any other error from a formula, if I do a formula error, that should not be customized. Only if it is not found, then it should be customized. So the best formula here is IFNA. Please remember, these two formulas are mainly to customize error messages. Look at the simpler approach here. It's very simple to apply, guys. Look at this. I'll write IFNA or IFERROR. Writing technique, both the same, guys. Both are fine. IFNA with this. So now the whole formula I have to keep it as it is. The entire formula VLookup should keep it as it is. Put a comma at the end and give your own message or more your own, what do you say, calculations or own kind of analysis done. Okay, it can be some text output or a number output or a formula itself, anything is fine. Now value of NA is what? Like if this order is not there, say it is not shipped, correct? I can put a double quote, order not shipped. So I'll just close the bracket, enter. Right, so now when I double click, you could see for the orders which are not shipped, I get it as order not shipped. So that is how I can use IFNA. I can just see if I change this to IFERROR also, it works actually. IFERROR, if you say no, I don't have a 2013 version, what do? You always have IFERROR. So it will also work. I just change the formula, that's it. It still works like that.
I hope now you know how to compare data and find out the missing information from this. And next in this series, that is part 5, I'm creating a video to understand how IFNA and IFERROR functions can be used to look and retrieve our information in multiple sheets or workbooks. Thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Excel is Magical and hit that bell to get notifications whenever I put on new videos. I'm going to see you in my next videos.